welcome back to the Luxy Hair channel. My name's Eastiana. Today's video, we are answering one of your biggest questions, and that is, what are the best products to use on my Luxy hair extensions? So without further ado, let's get into it. Using the right hair products is really important for helping to keep your extensions soft, manageable, silky, and going for a long time. What you want to look for is products that are specifically designed for dry or damaged hair. The reason why is because unlike your natural hair, which produces natural oils to help keep your hair soft and nourished on its own, hair extensions don't have that natural source of nourishment, so you need to use products that will add that moisture back in. A couple ingredients to look for is products that are coconut oil based, argan oil, castor oil. These are great oils that will help do that. Another thing to look for, or watch out for actually, is to make sure you're not using products that have any sulfates or bad types of alcohol. So there are both good and bad alcohols used in hair products, and you want to look for products that are formulated without the bad ones. A couple bad ones to watch out for is sodium lauryl sulfate, ethanol, propanol. There's a full list in the description box below so you can see all the ingredients to watch out for when it comes to bad types of alcohol. Again, not all alcohols are bad for your hair. There are good fatty based alcohols. For example, cetyl and stearyl alcohol are totally okay to use. Again, we've got a full list linked below for the specific ingredient names for alcohols of which to watch out for and which ones are okay. So we got that, no bad alcohol and no sulfates in our hair products. Now let's jump into the specifics, which brands and which products we love and would recommend. If you're on a budget, L'Oreal EverPure Moisture Shampoo is a great choice. It retails at $12, so it's really affordable, especially for how often you need to wash your extensions, which isn't that often. So how often do you have to wash your extensions? I only recommend washing your extensions once every 30 wears, or if you use a lot of hair product and it starts to get like sticky and thick and like there's a lot of product residue and buildup, then you want to wash your hair extensions and get all of that out and restore its shininess. There are no sulfates, no salts, and no drying alcohols. It's also designed to preserve color-treated hair, so again, if you've custom dyed your extensions, this is a really good choice for you. It's made with rosemary oil, which is moisturizing, but it's got this little pepperminty, minty rosemary scent to it, so some people like it, some people don't. I personally don't mind the smell at all, and it really does a good job of restoring that shine and that softness back into your extensions. So while this product checks off all the boxes in terms of it doesn't have any of those bad ingredients, which is very rare for conditioners and a lot of hair products, the only thing I would watch out for this one is you need to spend a little extra time really carefully washing out the product. You don't want to leave any residue on your Luxys after while they're drying. If you've got a little more room to play and you want something a little bit extra, the Playa Everyday Shampoo is one of my favorites. It's $37 at Sephora. It smells so good, very beachy. It's formulated with a coconut base so it won't dry out your extensions while you're washing and cleaning them out. It also will avoid making your extensions prone to tangling or matting. You know, sometimes when you're using shampoo and it's like, it does too much cleaning, like your hair is so clean that it just becomes dry and brittle almost. None of that. There are no sulfates, no formaldehydes, no parabens, no SLS. So whenever my extensions are really dirty and filled with product buildup because I've used so much hairspray and so much product on it and it's just like really dirty, I love using this shampoo because it's the cleanest that my extensions ever feel after using a shampoo. My extensions just feel so clean but not dry because of that coconut oil. It's nourished and soft still, but just really clean, so I loved that feeling. I also tried it on my natural hair because I wanted to compare versus natural hair and extensions, how the shampoo played out. And again, my scalp just felt so clean, like probably the cleanest my scalp has ever felt after using a shampoo, but so soft at the same time, so it was almost like you don't really need to use conditioner after. My only complaint with this product is that the bottle is very hard to squeeze to get the product out, and because the product is very thick, it's just like you have to use a lot of arm power to get this product out. Moving on to conditioner, so after washing out your extensions with a shampoo, you definitely want to use a conditioner to add some more moisture back onto them. The Aveeno Pure Renewal Conditioner is sulfate-free, bad alcohol-free, it's made for all hair types, and it's good on color-treated hair, so if you have custom dyed extensions, you're good to go for using this one. This conditioner is infused with balancing seaweed extract, which is really rich in vitamins, proteins, and minerals to help rebalance hair's natural moisture. In my opinion, this conditioner is kind of like an all-around, straight-to-the-point, easy, simple, does the job conditioner. So all around, a big thumbs up. If you're looking for a product that's a little bit more on the luxurious side, Bumble & Bumble's Super Rich Conditioner is awesome. It's $38 at Sephora. It's really thick and creamy. It's designed specifically for adding more bounce and luster back into your hair, which I love. There are no parabens, no sulfates, no bad alcohols. It does have acetyl and stearyl alcohols, but again, these are the good fatty alcohols, so they are a-okay. I have nothing but good things to say about this conditioner. It really did its job. It detangles and moisturizes and softens like nothing I've used before. It's like the perfect solution for an instant revival from dullness or damage to your Luxys. So beyond just washing your extensions, the next product that I definitely recommend having in your cabinet is a hair mask. Using a hair mask or a deep conditioner on your extensions after washing them is really important for keeping them extra shiny and really extending that lifespan of your extensions. So you'll want to use a deep conditioner or a hair mask after you wash your Luxys, after you've conditioned them. You want to apply this when they're still damp and wet. So if you're looking to save, the Moroccanoil Intense Hydrating Mask, it's $21. It's really awesome. It's an argan oil based hair mask, so it helps restore elasticity and smoothness. It's also really good at preventing frizz. Argan oil is known to be full of antioxidants, vitamin E, and lots of minerals and fatty acids that help restore shine and smoothness to your hair. This hair mask is formulated with no sulfates, no formaldehydes, no bad alcohols, no parabens. The packaging is also recyclable, so that's a plus. You just want to apply the hair mask when your Luxys are damp. You apply it, comb it through, leave it on for about 10 to 20 minutes. The longer the better, then rinse it out. And then you're just gonna keep your Luxys on a towel to dry. A little goes a long way with this hair mask, so it will last you a long time. You can just use a small dollop and it will do the job. It's also meant for thick to medium hair, so it's perfect for Luxys. Love Hair's Nourishing Treatment Mask is also another great option. It's $40, so it's a bit on the higher end side. What you are getting with this one, it's 100% natural, organic, cruelty-free, vegan. It's also effective for all hair types and color-treated hair. There are no parabens, no sulfates. There's also no synthetic fragrances, so if you want something that's totally naturally based, this is a great product for that. It's made with lavender and jojoba oils. Not sure if I'm saying that right, correct me if I'm wrong, but it's great for fortifying your strands and restoring that moisture. It also has quinoa protein, which helps repair any damage or brittleness. It's really nourishing. Moving on to heat protectants. So if you style your Luxys a lot, which I do, I love curling them, straightening them. I definitely use a lot of hot tools on them. All of that can definitely wear down on not only your natural hair, but your extensions for sure. So you definitely want to make sure that you have a heat protectant in your toolbox. The best one on a budget for $12 is the Jamaican Black Castor Oil. This is a really long name. Strengthen and Restore Moisture Thermal Protect Set and Hold Spritz. It's a really long name. So the main ingredient is Jamaican black castor oil, which is known for solving dry, brittle hair damage, protecting all against that. It's also good on dandruff. This heat protectant spray is definitely made with no sulfates and no bad alcohols. It also includes reparative omegas, which is really good on curls and coils. So if you do curl your hair and your extensions a lot, this is a great option. I personally think this is an all-around good heat protectant spray. It's good on both dry and damp hair. All around thumbs up. If you want something a little extra and a little more elevated, I absolutely love Amika's Blockade Heat Defense Serum. It's $33 from Sephora, but this is probably one of my top favorite hair products of all time. This is because it's kind of like two products in one. It's a serum, not a spray, so it both protects your hair and your extensions from thermal heat damage, but it also, because it's a serum, acts like a hair oil. So normally I would apply hair oil on my extensions and my hair after styling to like block down any frizziness and smooth it out, but you're doing this before you're even styling it and just smoothing it all out, which is amazing. So it's like a two-in-one product. I love it. It really protects from heat, but it also just adds like this really nice shine and glossiness to your extensions. And because it's a serum, it acts kind of like a shield or a blockade against the heat. So it wraps your hair strands in the product. It's like a humidity and heat-proof layer against the elements, against the heat, just like protecting each strand. And while it's doing that, it's also adding back in nutrients and moisturizing agents onto the strands themselves. So it's doing like two things at once. Of course, no sulfates, no parabens, no formaldehydes. It's made with a sea buckhorn berry base, which is full of nutrients like vitamin C, vitamin E, vitamin A, which is all really important for adding more luster to your hair. Okay, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. I hope it gave you a bunch of ideas of what to look for and what to shop for when you're looking for hair products to help extend the lifespan of your extensions and your Luxies. Make sure you're subscribed for our channel. We're always uploading more helpful content when it comes to hair. We'll see you guys next video.